absolutely. It was great meeting you. What's your name again?
Kaysen.
Jason?
Kaysen.
Kaysen. I like that name.
Thanks.
It was good meeting you, my friend.
Say be safe.
Be safe.
You do the
Can
same.
you hit a jump for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do it right now.
Thanks.
Should say less
course.
little dude.
You want a sticker too? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
See, I'm gonna go hit it again, all right?
Bye.